Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply delete a profile on Netflix. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first access your Netflix on your mobile phone. So once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna pop up, right? So if you would like to delete a profile, we're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this pencil icon on top right corner of your screen, and this will give us this kind of interface, right? We're gonna go ahead, tap on this pencil icon on top of that profile, and this will show us the settings regarding it, and including this option called delete profile below. If we tap on it, we will be able to delete, aka remove this profile from our Netflix, just like that. Again, to go back, and can do for other profiles that you have available as well, you can go ahead, tap on that pencil icon on their profile that is given, and this will show us this delete profile option just below. You tap on it and you will be remove that profile from your net. This is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.